Hi, I'm Kelsi with Peacock Family Chiropractic. We are a MaxLiving office in Fishers, Indiana. And today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite recipes, which is a chocolate mousse. You'll find the recipe in our Align Your Health book, as well as it's in our old original Maximize Living Nutrition book. And I have just a little spin on it today where I'm going to put our, instead of stevia and some of the cacao, I'm putting in our grass-fed protein, and it just tastes really good and it makes it even better for you. So I'm starting off with typically 3 avocados, typically this size of avocado. These are very large, so for this example, I'm just using 2. And then a scoop of our grass-fed MaxLiving whey protein. You can also use our bone broth chocolate protein, a 1/2 cup of the cacao powder, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a 1/2 cup of dates soaked in a 1/2 cup of water. The dates, if you soak them in water that's cold, let them sit for about 20 minutes. Or if you heat the water up over the stove, it will soften those dates quicker. And then you're going to make sure you take the pits out of the dates as well. Once I have all this together, I'm going to use that water from the dates and pour it into the Vitamix or the blender that you have or food processor and just blend it all together. And then it'll be ready to go. You wanna take a bite? Take a bite? What do you think? It's good. You got more. I can't see you at all.
but I can tell you like it because you keep going back for more.